Handyman from the future. The reason I am self-employed and do YouTube videos, I take 2 to 3 months off every year, but every single week videos still have to be uploaded. That's why I'm constantly searching for new ways to get mobile internet. Another option that I may move to in the future, if it works, is Elon Musk's Starlink. I think that's what it's called. It's a satellite. It's a mobile satellite. Like you would get mobile satellite television, you get mobile satellite internet. As of right now, it's not that good. You can't stream. You can't do any gaming. Not that I do gaming, but you can't stream. You can use it for internet, uploading and downloading. It's out on beta right now, so hopefully within the next year or so, they get the bugs worked out and we can have real high-speed internet anywhere via satellite. Right now, satellite internet is garbage. I've got a cell phone booster antenna on my actual pickup truck, and now I've got this guy here. This thing here I can take anywhere, put it up 20 feet high in the air, and get good cellular signal that can both upload YouTube videos and stream. That's another cool thing to have, is to be able to stream YouTube, stream Netflix. In this video, I'm going to show you how I put this thing together, how I built my poles, and how I test it in one of the most remote areas in the world. I've got my 20-foot pole. Breaks down into 6-foot sections, but I have to make the sections like a pin connection here, because that is directional. I have to turn that to face the right cell phone tower. So now I'm going to drill some 1/4-inch holes here and put some of these pins in there. I can twist it and point it in the right direction. There we go. All right. Here's how I have it mounted. There is 20 feet of pipe, 4 5-foot sections. How am I going to mount this? Can't just hold it out there. It goes in my front receiver. I also have a rear receiver. For some reason I went out on the front of the truck because I usually have something plugged into the back of the back receiver. So it's got this pole here. Goes in like that. Straight down like this. And into the ground. Now what I want to do is make a wedge. Another wedge to just put in there, kind of give it a tap, and it stays right in there. It doesn't blow around like that. Link will be in the description. Still need a way so that it won't spin inside of there. Maybe a little set screw. We've made it to the African Serengeti. As far off grid as you can get. Can't do any work unless I have internet. We're gonna test out the new high boost antenna. Put it up right here, 20 feet high in the air. Next step is to get it all plugged in, hooked up, powered up, and get that thing pointed in the right direction. Hey, all set up here on the tailgate. Real easy. Hook this up. Hopefully it works. Right. So this goes to the big antenna outside. We got our EcoFlow Delta here. Let's plug it in. Probably should read the directions. So a quick start on this thing. Powered up and running, I've got 3 bars of 4G. Next step says to just download this app. So I'm going to get the app downloaded and this all figured out and get to optimizing the direction that antenna is being pointed. I have the app open. I got my 4 gauges here and we're turning that front antenna a little bit at a time. Alright, start turning it in any direction and then stop for a few seconds. Alright, LT got worse. Keep going. Getting worse. Yeah, keep going. One of them's getting a little bit better. Let's see, we're gonna run a speed test real quick. And this is pretty good. I'm getting 13 megabits per second. A friend of mine who is on AT&T was getting 50 megabits a second. I don't know if you can see that. Is this gonna tell? There's a speed test. This is pretty amazing for where we are. This is upload. That's 12. That's really good. Really good. You can upload YouTube videos all day long. So I just adjusted the inside antenna and this is some super boost here. Super boost action. If you spend a lot of time in remote areas and you're trying to get a LTE signal, you know what this app is, or you have something similar to this app, trying to find a signal. And this is insane. What I do is I link the phone to my laptop and can do all my video uploads straight from my laptop. Thanks for watching. If you're trying to make a living working at home, you have no signal, this is a solution. Link will be in the description. If you've got questions, put them down below. And if you really want to know where I'm at, you got to go find me on the SSTC. Goodbye.